she felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm trying to get done is this bookcase behind me. I really want to get the Christmas stuff out of here and kind of redecorate my whole house, but I'm going to do it room by room and space by space because I get overwhelmed super easily. So I want to make sure that I don't get overwhelmed, especially when we're trying to put all the Christmas stuff away. It can just be a lot of stuff and trying to figure out where it's going to go and how we're going to put it back. So I figured I would go one space at a time, and the first space I'm going to start with is this bookcase right here, right behind me. I did have a video that I put up of when I did decorate this for Christmas, and a lot of y'all liked that, so I thought maybe I'd do another one. But this time we're taking the Christmas stuff down and putting up more of like it's kind of like a modern farmhouse with a little bit of like a boho vibe. So that's kind of what I'm leaning towards. We'll see as I start putting things up and getting new things. I don't have everything here that I want to put up, but I'm going to start. And then once I get everything up, then I'll know exactly what I'm looking for when I go out to shop. But before we get started, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you here. And let's go ahead and get started with undecorating, cleaning, and decorating it for the new year.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
All right, y'all, so this is what I got from Home Goods the other day, and I actually love what I found. They had a ton of these clocks there, of course, all of the white dinnerware. This piece is one of my favorites just because it looks a little old and vintagey with this sign here. Obviously, it's not really that old, but and then these little teacup kettle thing is so cute. And then I've got a small one and a large one of the pitchers. I got a couple small bowls, and then these plates. There's like 4 of the big, 4 of the small ones. This thing I think is so cute. But a lot of this stuff, especially the plates, the bowls, and this, and I think this one, they were all on clearance. So I got them for like $1 a piece, which I love because I was going to go to Goodwill to find stuff like this for decoration. And I'm just happy that I was able to find it for pretty much the same price I would have found at Goodwill at Home Goods. So I'm super happy about this. I'll probably end up getting more over time just because I think this is a really cute way to stack things and just give it different dimensions. So we're not really going to use any of these items, you know, to like eat on. They're really all just for decoration. And I love that it's all white because then I can add in all the extra stuff with color if I want to.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you. it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good.
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here? For a while I'm alive, and I take you in. I've been falling, calling. When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? Oh, was it a rainbow falling? Oh, was it a rainbow? Here am I, meant to find little peace of mind. You dream away for a day. All I need is true, and I'm far.
All right, y'all, that's it for decorating this bookcase. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some inspiration, maybe some things that you're wanting to grab yourself. I definitely recommend Goodwill for like the plates and stuff, unless you can find them on clearance at HomeGoods.
Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.
We'll see y'all on our next one. Bye.
Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a